students, how are you all? I hope that you all are fit and fine at your home. I am Gayatri Verma, your science teacher. Welcome you all again to the science video. So students, you know that we have already started chapter number 4, that is heat flow and temperature. So we are going to start some new topic, right? Yes? But before starting today's topic, I am going to give you a very nice thought. Are you all ready to listen to the thought? Okay. So today's thought is that you learn more from failures than from success. I repeat my thought. You learn more from failure than from success. It means, students, failure is the first step to get success. What happens when we do something, we get failed, and that from that failure we learn more. Okay, rather to learn from the success. Okay, so let's start our day with this thought that if we want to get success, if we get failed, so never to worry. So start stepping again. Then you will definitely going to get success. So why I am giving you this thought? I am giving you this thought because sometimes what happens, you start learning question answer but you are failed. But don't let it be go. Just take one step more to start learning again. Once you start learning again, definitely you are going to get success. This is my promise to you all. Okay? So let's begin our today's session. As you can see on the board that I have written one keyword, right? What I have written over here, I have written Celsius scale. So first we will learn about Celsius scale. Later on I am going to tell you that what are the topics we are going to deal with today. Are you all ready? Yes, dear students, are you all ready? Yes, all are ready to take today's class. Okay. So students, I have written Celsius scale. Celsius scale, a thermometer, a thermometric scale. Here we are talking about the scale. A thermometric scale in which the length between melting point of ice, just remember melting point of ice and boiling point of water, is divided into 100 equal parts is called degrees. Means here we are talking about the thermometric scale. Thermometric scale is the through which we can measure temperature. Okay, जिससे हम temperature को measure करते, that is known as thermometer. That is known as thermometer, and in which you are going to find out the scales. Okay, scale is there. You have seen the scale. So that is a thermometric scale in which you are going to observe the length between. Means you are going to observe it 0 degree to 100 degree. So here what I am saying, the length between melting point of ice and boiling point of water, it is going to divide into how many parts? It is going to divide into 100 equal parts, and when it is dividing 100 equal parts, it is known as degree. It is known as degrees. Is that clear? What is Celsius scale? I am going to repeat. A thermometric scale in which the length between melting point of ice and boiling point of water is divided into 100 equal parts. This is known as degree, and this is all about the Celsius scale. My concept is clear to everyone? Yes? So shall I move forward? Okay. So now we will move to next topic. Students, as you can see on the board, I have written some points. Okay. So in today's video, what we are going to deal with? We are going to deal with clinical thermometer. ठीक है, हम clinical thermometer के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. And what are the points? हम आज पढ़ेंगे. We will learn about the construction of clinical thermometer. Then how to use clinical thermometer. कि जो clinical thermometer है उसको किस तरीके से बना हुआ है. First thing. Second thing, उसको किस तरीके से use किया जाता है. Then after the clinical thermometer, I am going to tell you about the laboratory thermometer. That how laboratory thermometer are used in labs and what are the precautions we need to take when we are just handling laboratory thermometer. Okay, students. So this video is for all these topics. As you know that in earlier video I have covered 3 types of thermometers, right? We have done 3 types of thermometer. First is oven thermometer, second is bimetallic thermometer, and third one is maximum thermometer and minimum thermometer, right? Now, in today's session, I am going to tell you about the clinical thermometer, right? Okay, students, just open page number 837. A-37, you will find that clinical thermometer is written over there. Okay. So first let's understand what is clinical thermometer. After this I am going to just read the paragraph. Okay. So just look upon the board everyone. Clinical thermometer, it is a thermometer which measures body temperature. एक ऐसा थर्मामीटर जो किस काम के लिए होता है? टू मेजर बॉडी टेम्परेचर, हमारे शरीर के तापमान को मेजर करने के लिए जो थर्मामीटर यूज किया जाता है दैट इज नोन एज क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर. आई रिपीट, क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर इज अ टाइप ऑफ थर्मामीटर विच इज यूज टू मेजर द बॉडी टेम्परेचर. ओके, क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर समझ में आया? नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हैव अ लुक ऑन दिस थर्मामीटर. You can see that this body which is made of glass, have you seen clinical thermometer? पुराने थर्मामीटर्स जो चलते थे जिसमें मरकरी अंदर होता था वो वाला थर्मामीटर सभी ने देख रखा है. ठीक है, nowadays we are using digital thermometers as you know, but I think that you have all seen the mercury thermometers. So बच्चे क्या होता था, जो ये जो the body which is made of glass, जो इसकी बॉडी ग्लास की बनी होती थी, that is known as stem. Okay, inside this glass body there is a tube and this tube is known as capillary tube. कौन सा? इस ट्यूब को हम क्या कहेंगे? कैपिलरी ट्यूब. ओके, at the end of the at one end of the thermometer you are going to observe this. Now you think that what is this? This is the structure known as bulb which you kept inside your mouth to check the temperature, right or wrong? Right? Okay students, right now I have a digital thermometer with me but don't have that mercury thermometer, so I can show you with the help of this. Students, as you can see that I have a thermometer in my hand, as you can see. Now if I am going to put over here, ठीक है, तो आपको कुछ ऐसा दिख रहा है इस टाइप का स्ट्रक्चर. So this is known as bulb. इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? बल्ब कहेंगे. ये जो प्लास्टिक बॉडी आप देख रहे हो, in case of clinical thermometer you are going to see the body is made of glass and this body is known as a stem, and inside this body you are going to see a tube which is known as capillary tube. Is that clear? ठीक है, and inside this thermometer you will see that mercury is there. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? मरकरी होगा. Now you are just thinking that why I have written over here 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड 43 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो बच्चे आपको यहाँ क्या समझ रहे हैं? हमारी जो बॉडी का टेम्परेचर होता है दैट विल नेवर बिलो देन 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस. 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस से ना तो कम होगा, ठीक है ना, 43 डिग्री सेल्सियस से ज्यादा होगा. सो आवर बॉडी टेम्परेचर रेंजेस बिटवीन 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 43 डिग्री सेल्सियस. हमारी जो बॉडी का टेम्परेचर होता है दैट इज गोइंग टू लाइज बिटवीन 35 degree Celsius to 43 degree Celsius. Okay, so this is all about the clinical thermometer. Now we will read from the book also to understand more. On page A37 you can see there is a clinical thermometer as I have already shown you this thing. ठीक है, bulb, capillary tube, stem, all these things we have learned. Now students, what happens when we suffer from thermometer? When we suffer from fever? When we suffer from fever, which device we use to check temperature? We use simply thermometer. Now, how you have to place a thermometer? You have to just understand this. Students, now I have to check my temperature. In order to check my temperature, I am using thermometer. Now, how to put it inside your mouth? You have to take the thermometer like this. You have to just place it at the center. You have to just roll your tongue upwards. अपने टंग को आप upwards ले जाएंगे and you have to just put this bulb inside it. ऐसे करके, ठीक है, इस तरीके से आप थर्मोमीटर को अपने माउथ पे प्लेस करेंगे. क्लियर हो गई चीज? अब हम बुक से पढ़ेंगे. So students, what is another name of clinical thermometer? Another name of clinical thermometer is doctor's thermometer. You can mark with pencil in your book that this type of thermometer is known as clinical thermometer or doctor's thermometer. Okay, and this thermometer is used to measure the body temperature. This thing is clear to everyone? Yes students? Yes? Or do you have any doubt? I think there is no doubt. So Let's do other topic. Okay, construction. Now we have to understand the construction of the thermometer. It is a specially designed thermometer which marked from 35 degrees Celsius to 43 degrees Celsius. I have already told you that body temperature lies between 35 degrees Celsius to 43 degrees Celsius. And this thermometer is specially designed in such a way that it can measure only the body temperature. So, what is the construction of the clinical thermometer? It consists of large bulb made of thin glass to which is attached to a very fine capillary tube. Earlier I have shown you that the thermometer body is made of glass. Inside it there is a capillary tube, and the capillary tube is provided with a kink or constriction as shown in figure 4.6. As you can see that when you see the thermometer, mercury thermometer, तो आप देखोगे कि जहाँ से उसकी स्केल स्टार्ट होने वाली थी वहाँ पर एक हल्का सा किंक सा स्ट्रक्चर आपको दिखता है, इस तरीके का कुछ हल्का सा आपको दिखेगा, एंड दिस इज नोन एज किंक. ओके, दिस इज नोन एज किंक. Now, the kink allows the mercury to move into the capillary tube when the thermometer is placed in the mouth cavity of the patient. It means when you are placing thermometer inside your mouth, at that time what happened? The rise of the mercury takes place. Means the level of mercury goes up. ठीक है? But it does not allow it to flow back into bulb. अगर एक बार मरकरी में टेम्परेचर बढ़ गया तो ये नहीं होगा कि वो 0 डिग्री पे ऑटोमेटिकली अपने आप आएगा. नो, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो व्हेन द थर्मामीटर इज टेकन आउट ऑफ द माउथ ऑफ द पेशेंट, इट हेल्प्स टू रीड द टेम्परेचर ऑफ अ पेशेंट. आपने देखा होगा, वंस यू प्लेस द थर्मामीटर इनसाइड योर माउथ, द टेम्परेचर विल राइज, एंड व्हेन यू टेक इट आउट फ्रॉम द माउथ, देन यू कैन रीड द टेम्परेचर, दैट कितना टेम्परेचर आपकी बॉडी का है. क्लियर हो गया बच्चों? यस, ओके. So it helps to read the temperature of patient when the thermometer is taken out from the mouth. The mercury can be brought back in the light by jerking the thermometer. Suppose if this is a mercury thermometer I am having in my hand, and here the mercury is upraised, but I have to fall it back, then I have to give jerk like this. In case of clinical thermometers, आपने देखा भी होगा डॉक्टर्स क्या करते हैं, सोल्यूशन से निकालने के बाद दे गिव जस्ट जर्क. एक ऐसा झटका देने से क्या होता है कि जो मरकरी का लेवल होता है इट गोज डाउन. ओके बच्चों, समझ में आ गया आपको? इट इज गोइंग टू लोअरिंग द लेवल ऑफ द मरकरी. क्लियर हो ये बात? उसके बाद द कैपिलरी ट्यूब इज सराउंडेड बाय थिक ट्रायंगुलर ग्लास ट्यूब कॉमनली कॉल्ड स्टेम. मैं आपको बता चुकी हूँ. द ट्रायंगुलर स्टेम help in magnifying the thin mercury thread in the capillary tube in the form of broad band. मरकरी का लेवल अगर बढ़ रहा है तो कैपिलरी ट्यूब के बिल्कुल साथ साथ चलेगा. मान लो यहाँ बढ़ गया या यहाँ बढ़ गया और ये 42 डिग्री सेल्सियस रीड कर रहा है, तो इट मीन्स योर बॉडी टेम्परेचर इज नॉर्मल. ओके, नाउ द स्टेम इज मार्क्ड फ्रॉम 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 43 डिग्री सेल्सियस, एंड at 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस इज मार्क्ड अ रेड लाइन. 35 से शुरुआत होती है, 37 पे आप जब थर्मामीटर देखोगे तो यू आर गोइंग टू ऑब्जर्व रेड लाइन. ऐसे करके आपको लाइन मिलेगा. अगर मैं कह लूँ ये थर्मामीटर है मेरा, ठीक है, जस्ट आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू. सपोज स्टूडेंट इफ दिस इज अ थर्मामीटर. ओके, आप इस मैंने इसको थर्मामीटर क्यों लिया? बिकॉज इसका कुछ कुछ स्ट्रक्चर इसकी जैसा ही है. इसे अगर हम बल्ब बोल दें, राइट, दिस इज अ कैपिलरी ट्यूब एंड दिस इज अ कैपिलरी ट्यूब. अगर इस लाइन को हम कैपिलरी ट्यूब मान लें और इसको स्टेम मान लें, ठीक है. अब आपको बहुत ध्यान से समझना, अगर ये 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस है तो ये वाली रेड लाइन आपकी क्या होगी? 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर हमें क्या याद रखना है कि जो थर्मामीटर अगर आप देखते हो तो यहाँ पे बल्ब है, उसके बाद एक किंक देखोगे, देन यू विल सी रेड लाइन, एंड एट दिस रेड लाइन यू आर गोइंग टू ऑब्जर्व दैट डिग्री 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस. क्लियर? The red line which I have shown you in the thermometer, it is going to indicate the normal temperature of the healthy person. It is going to indicate healthy person का normal temperature बताता है हमें क्या? red line. अगर 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस आपको मिलता है. क्लियर हो गई बात इतनी? Now, बेटा कंस्ट्रक्शन इतना ही है. अब हमें क्या पढ़ना है? How to use clinical thermometer. क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर को हमें किस तरीके से यूज करना है. ओके, Okay, before telling you this, I would like to give you an example. When you visit to a doctor and you want to check, the doctor want to check your temperature. At that time, what the doctors do? He just check out the temperature from the solution, antiseptic solution is there, maybe Dettol or Savlon is there, in which they just dip their thermometer. Why it is dipped in antiseptic solution? In order to kill germs. एक पर्सन ने यूज किया, फिर दूसरे पर्सन ने यूज किया, फिर थर्ड पर्सन ने यूज किया, तो क्या होता है जब हम एंटीसेप्टिक सॉल्यूशन में रख देते हैं तो फिर क्या होता है, वो जर्म्स को किल कर देते हैं. ठीक है, इतनी बात समझ में आई. आफ्टर टेकिंग आउट फ्रॉम द एंटीसेप्टिक सॉल्यूशन व्हाट द डॉक्टर्स डू? द डॉक्टर्स जस्ट वॉश द थर्मोमीटर. थर्मोमीटर को वॉश करेंगे. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दिस वी आर गोइंग टू रीड फ्रॉम द बुक एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू simultaneously. Okay, wash the thermometer with water or preferably with an antiseptic solution before use. Or we can also do this thing. Suppose if you are dipping the thermometer in antiseptic solution, then you don't need to wash. You can also just wipe with the cotton. Cotton से हम उसको क्या कर सकते हैं, साफ कर सकते हैं and we can use. But I think that we should prefer to wash. Okay. Second point, in your book it is written, read the temperature. It is more than 35 degrees Celsius. Judge the thermometer sharply till the mercury is below 35. अगर आप देख लेते हो टेम्परेचर 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस है तो आपको क्या करना है, ऐसे जग देना है. जब हम जग देंगे तो एट दैट टाइम व्हाट हैपन, द मर्करी विल कम बिलो 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके, place the thermometer bulb under the tongue of the person for 1 minute. In starting I have shown you that how to place thermometer inside the mouth. Okay, once you are placing a thermometer inside the mouth, just wait for a minute. You have to wait for a minute. After this you just take out the thermometer from the mouth and you can read the temperature. Okay students, very important, do not talk to the person. It is because if the person talks back, he can break the thermometer, releasing mercury which is poison. Okay, when we are talking about the clinical thermometer, as I am talking about the mercury based thermometer, तो बच्चे क्या ध्यान रखना है, जब आपके माउथ में मरकरी थर्मामीटर है, एट दैट टाइम यू आर नॉट सपोज टू टॉक. अगर आप बात करते हैं तो क्या होता है कि ड्यू टू मूवमेंट्स इनसाइड योर माउथ द टीथ कैन ब्रेक द थर्मामीटर and the thermometer consists of mercury. As you know that mercury is very poisonous, so it will just release inside our mouth and it can cause any harm to us. So when we are just checking our temperature, so we should not talk. Clear? This precaution you must keep in this mind. So after this you have to remove the thermometer from the mouth of the person and you can check the temperature. After handling the thermometer with care from the end away from bulb, do not handle from the side of the bulb. You never touch like this. कभी ऐसे टच नहीं करोगे आप बल्ब को, ऐसे नहीं पकड़ोगे थर्मामीटर को, कभी भी नहीं. ठीक है, you have to hold thermometer in such a way and when you are washing you should be very cautious. Okay, rewash the thermometer. आप उसको वापस से rewash करेंगे or you can just put inside the antiseptic solution. Do not sterilize the thermometer in boiling water as it will break the bulb. अब ये नहीं कि आप थर्मामीटर को ले रहे हो और भाई जो पानी उबल रहा है उसी में रख दिए. नो, इट इज गोइंग टू ब्रेक, वो टूट जाएगा. ठीक है, बिकॉज द बॉडी इज मेड ऑफ ग्लास. नाउ आफ्टर दिस स्टोर द thermometer safely in some place where the temperature does not rise above 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस. अब हम क्या करेंगे, थर्मामीटर को यूज करने के बाद बहुत केयरफुली स्टोर कर देंगे. ध्यान रखेंगे टेम्परेचर शुड नॉट राइज मोर देन 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस. Students, are you clear with this concept of clinical thermometer? I hope that clinical thermometer is now clear to every student. Okay? Yes? Okay, very good. Now students, we are going to do laboratory thermometer. Students, as you can see on page A-38, there are certain precautions given, that precautions to be observed while reading laboratory thermometer. लेकिन आपको नहीं लगता प्रिकॉशंस डालने से पहले वी शुड लर्न दैट व्हाट इज लैबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर, कि लैबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर होता है कि आपको ये भी तो पता होना चाहिए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो जस्ट लुक अपॉन द बोर्ड. Laboratory thermometer, a thermometer is used to measure temperature of different liquids in labs is called laboratory thermometer. बहुत ध्यान से समझेंगे. जो laboratory thermometers होते हैं they are different from ordinary thermometer. हमारे जो ordinary thermometers है like I have talked about the clinical thermometer, but the laboratory thermometer is entirely different from other thermometers. Means इसकी speciality क्या होती है? This type of thermometer is only used in labs. आपने साइंस लैब देखा है और ये जो थर्मामीटर्स होते हैं बहुत बड़े बड़े थर्मामीटर्स होते हैं. इसका जो आपको स्टैंडर्ड साइज दिखा है उस साइज का नहीं होता, बड़े थर्मामीटर्स होते हैं. एंड with the help of laboratory thermometer what we used to do, we used to measure the temperature of different liquids. उसमें जो भी लिक्विड्स का टेम्परेचर, जैसे मान लो बॉइलिंग वाटर होता है लैब में कर रहे हैं पानी को गर्म और आप जानना चाहते हो कि व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल टेम्परेचर. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू कैन जस्ट डिप द लैबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर एंड यू कैन चेक द रीडिंग्स. ओके, नाउ रिलेटेड टू लैबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर व्हाट आर द प्रिकॉशंस वी शुड कीप इनसाइड इन आवर माइंड. ओके, you know that when we are dealing with clinical thermometer I have given you certain precautions. Similarly बच्चे यहाँ पे हम क्या पढ़ेंगे, जो लैबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर होता है उसके संग क्या क्या प्रिकॉशंस. ठीक है, सो जस्ट लुक अपॉन द पेज 838 I have mentioned earlier. First precaution, the thermometer should be kept upright either by freely suspending it or fixing it in some device such as cock. When you are dealing with laboratory thermometer, आपको थर्मामीटर बिल्कुल ऐसे रखना है, बिल्कुल you have to just keep it upright. या तो आप इसको फ्रीली छोड़ दीजिए या फिर इसको क्या करेंगे हम किसी चीज से बांध देंगे. कॉक होता है, साइंस लैब में आपको कॉक देखने को मिलेगा, लकड़ी का बना हुआ होता है. दे आर मेड ऑफ वुड. विद द हेल्प ऑफ वी कैन टाई द थर्मामीटर्स. ठीक है, थर्मामीटर पे जो उसका क्या कहते हैं जो लास्ट पार्ट होता है यहाँ पर, उसको आप क्या करोगे, थ्रेड लोगे, थ्रेड को उस कॉक से बांध सकते हैं एंड वी कैन जस्ट होल्ड इट अपराइट. समझ में आ गया. सेकंड, द बल्ब ऑफ द थर्मामीटर शुड बी कंप्लीटली सराउंडेड बाय द लिक्विड. व्हेन यू आर सपोज दिस इज अ beaker and you are just dipping the thermometer, you should ensure that its bulb, this is a bulb, and this bulb should be completely surrounding by liquid. It should be completely surrounding by liquid. ठीक है, वो लिक्विड से बिल्कुल चारों तरफ उसकी लिक्विड होना चाहिए. थर्ड थिंग, the bulb of the thermometer should not touch the sides or base of the container. Means when you are dipping the thermometer inside this beaker, you have to keep this thing in your mind that bulb should not touch this base and these walls of the container. ठीक है, जो भी बीकर ले रहे हो, कंटेनर ले रहे हो, उस जो थर्मामीटर के जब बल्ब को आप ऐसे इमर्स करोगे तो आपको ध्यान रखना है कि जो कंटेनर का बेस है ना उसको टच करे, ना उसके जो साइड वॉल्स है वो उसको टच करे. क्लियर हो गई बात. नेक्स्ट प्रिकॉशन, read the temperature only when the level of mercury is steady for 30 seconds or more. You can read the temperature when you find that mercury just stops. जब मरकरी का लेवल एकदम स्टॉप हो जाएगा, सपोज यहाँ पे रुक गया, तो यू कैन रीड द टेम्परेचर. बट बच्चे, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर एंड लैबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर? यू नो दैट व्हेन वी वांट टू चेक द टेम्परेचर देन वी आर टेकिंग द थर्मामीटर आउट फ्रॉम द माउथ. बट in case of laboratory thermometer we don't need to take out the thermometer from the container or the beaker. You can take the reading while it is immersed in the liquid. क्लियर हो गई मेरी बात. आपको थर्मामीटर रीडिंग लिखने के लिए निकालने की बिल्कुल भी जरूरत नहीं है. लास्ट पॉइंट, read the temperature by keeping the line of sight in level with level of mercury in thermometer. Where you will find the level of the mercury, there the temperature is there, you will write in your observations. So students, this is how we have to deal with laboratory thermometers. So these are the precautions you must kept in your mind, because after reopening of your schools we are going to meet, definitely we are going to meet. Okay, so I am going to ask that what are the precautions I have told you when we are going to just handle the laboratory thermometer. Okay बच्चों, तो आप ये सारे precautions बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे. On the same page you can see activity 4.3 is given to you. So the activity is given in your book, activity 4.3. Then what is the aim of the activity? To find average normal temperature of group of students. Now as you know that we cannot conduct this activity in school, okay, because so you can conduct this activity. I have written over here the aim, just read carefully. To find average normal temperature of family members, means जितने घर में आपके family members हैं, you can conduct this activity on them also. And what are the materials to be required for this activity? Very simple, only clinical thermometer and antiseptic solution. Now you are thinking that why antiseptic solution is needed? So I think that now you all are capable to give the answer. Antiseptic solution is needed only to wash the thermometer. ठीक है, ताकि थर्मोमीटर को उसमें क्या करेंगे, डिप कर लेंगे और कॉटन प्लग से पोंछ लें, या फिर हमसे उसमें भी वॉश कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, नाउ मूव बैक टू दी एक्टिविटी. So you will see that it is written over here what are the methods. Collect, जितने भी मेंबर्स हैं आपके घर में उनका सैंपल लेंगे आप, उनका थर्मोमीटर से टेम्परेचर चेक करेंगे. Then first wash the clinical thermometer with antiseptic solution and record the temperature of each family member in the table. Now I am going to show you the table. Or first of all, so students, what you have to do, the table is given in your book. But you have to do name of the student की जगह पे आप कर देंगे name of family member, temperature डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके, सपोज कर लीजिए आपके घर में 5 मेंबर्स हैं, ठीक है, 5 मेंबर्स हैं, तो यू आर गोइंग टू राइट डाउन फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ. यहाँ पे जो भी नेम है आप यहाँ पे नेम लिख लेंगे अपना फैमिली मेंबर का. यहाँ जो भी टेम्परेचर आएगा वो आपको यहाँ मेंशन करना है. अब क्या आएगा यहाँ पे, जो भी टेम्परेचर आएगा, how you have to identify average. Students, then after reading all the temperatures, how you have to calculate average? I am going to tell you later this, but just to read it from your book. It is written over here that you will notice the temperature of all these students is not 37 degrees Celsius. Very true. हर किसी का टेम्परेचर एक जैसा नहीं हो सकता. Some of them may have temperature. किसी का टेम्परेचर कितना मिलेगा हमें, 36.9 भी मिलेगा, किसी का हमें 36.8 भी मिलेगा, और किसी का हमें 36.7 भी मिलेगा. एंड दिस इज हाउ 36.5 एंड 37.2. इस तरीके के हमें ऑब्जर्वेशंस मिलेंगे. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, व्हेन यू गेट ऑल द टेम्परेचर्स, you just have to add all the temperatures by number of family members. How much I have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5. And you know that to calculate average, we have the formula in maths. You have learned sum of observations upon number of observations. Means sum of observation क्या होगा बच्चा, यहाँ पे हम temperatures देख रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे जो temperature आएगा that will come under the sum of observations. Means sum of temperature, number of observation means number of family member. ओके बच्चों, आप इनको ऐड करोगे, डिवाइड करोगे, उसके बाद जो भी आंसर आएगा that will be your average. That will be your average. So students, after doing calculations, after calculating you are going to get the digit that will be the average temperature of different healthy persons. आपको पता चल जाएगा कितने healthy persons की एवरेज हमें एक एवरेज हमें पता लग जाएगा. ओवरऑल आपको इतना ही जानना है इस टॉपिक में. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so this completes activity 4.3. So students, this covered all the topics for today's session. Now as usual I am going to give you homework. First you have to revise classwork. Whatever I have given, whatever I have taught you, okay, whatever topics I have taught you today, you have to go through it. And students, the homework, main homework, you have to draw clinical thermometer figure 4.6 on page number A37 in science notebook. You have to do this homework and you are going to submit this homework along with your question answers. Okay, but you should do it on regular basis, so it will be easy for you to submit your notebooks or to send your work. Okay. So student, this completes all for today. So be safe, stay healthy at your home and do your practice regularly. Thank you students.